Hey Fortnite Crew, welcome back. If you need to cancel your Fortnite Crew subscription in this year on PS5, I'm dropping the easiest steps to stop that 11.99 monthly charge while keeping your V-Bucks and skins. So guys, Fortnite Crew hooks you with 1000 V-Bucks, exclusive crew packs and battle passes, but cancelling is simple. You keep all rewards until your billing period ends. No refunds, so cancel before your billing date to avoid the next charge. Right, so the steps to do it on the PS5, as you can see, PlayStation 5 are going to be as follows. From the PS5 home screen, go to Settings, after that select Users and Accounts, then Account, choose Payments and Subscriptions, and then Game and App Services. Find Fortnite in the list, select it, then pick Fortnite Crew. Hit Turn off Auto Renew and Confirm. You'll see a expiration date. Alternative, visit store.playstation.com, sign in and click your profile icon and select subscription and management. Subscriptions management, and then turn off auto renew for Fortnite Crew. And that's it, you've successfully cancelled your Fortnite Crew on PS5 like a pro. If you want more gaming hacks, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel. And thanks for watching.